So I'm here with Ryan at the service center, one of the early reservation holders. We were just checking out the truck. Tell me, Ryan, what's your first impressions?
Absolutely gorgeous trucks. Wish the launch green was here, but the Rivian blue and the Glacier white are absolutely gorgeous. Fitment issues look great. The interesting thing that we've seen is the active louvers functioning for the battery management system on the front. So we've actually seen the louvers open and close several times to actually maintain that optimal temperature while charging.
Something we hadn't heard about previously.
But makes sense. A lot of other electric vehicles do have that functionality. So it's good to actually see it in action here on these Rivians.
So here you can see the radiator in the back, and then the louvers come close again. Cool. And then I'm wondering what these two vents are on either side here. Little openings. We're not really sure. And there's a little speaker grate over there, as you can see, which probably has to do with the driving sounds. And there's a camera right here in the middle, you can see there. A couple of sensors. Looks like maybe 4 sensors. There's another one on this black panel and another one on the opposite side. Here you can see the sparkle a little bit better in the blue on this surface. And we also noticed that on this little kick panel right here, as well as on the back, right where the gear tunnel cover is, they both have a little film. Looks like factory installed film on them, obviously to protect from rock chips. But we can't spot any film anywhere else. Nice 22-inch wheels there.
Well, it's fun to see the trucks again here. Ryan, hopefully we'll see more when his launch green comes in the next couple months. We also Ryan just noticed that these say customer parking. Okay, I'm a customer. Give me a truck to park here.